What's up, fam? Welcome to another vlog. Cheers, guys. Happy birthday. Dude, I can't get over this. What's up, fam? Long time no see. So for today's video, I'm actually headed out to LA. It's my friend's birthday today. We're celebrating it. We're gonna go to this restaurant called Majordomo restaurant. It's in downtown LA, close to, it's towards like Chinatown area. It's owned by this famous celebrity chef. His name's Chang. I actually met this guy. He was just casually eating at this restaurant in Koreatown in LA. We sat right next to them. I actually took a picture with him. I'm gonna insert the picture right up here. So yeah, it was actually pretty cool. He was nice enough to just, you know, take a picture with me and my friends. So yeah, we're gonna check out his restaurant today. Hopefully it's good. I've actually watched a few videos, like reviews and stuff. I'm kind of having like this mixed feelings about it. I watched a video that says it's really good. I also watched another video that says it was just subpar or whatever. But anyway, I'm gonna try that out myself. I'll let you guys know if it's good or not. But hey, just a disclaimer. This is not a legit, proper food review, but I'm just gonna go there myself and test it out and let you guys know if I like it or not. I'm pretty sure I'll like it because the pictures looks really good and the restaurant itself, it looks fire. So yeah, guys, I forgot to mention it's my friend's birthday. Her name's Rachel. I'm sure you've already seen her from my old vlogs if you've been watching my vlogs. If not, well, you're gonna meet her over there later. So we're gonna celebrate it there. Again, the name of the restaurant is called Majordomo Restaurant. It's a American Asian fusion restaurant. All right, I'll see you guys when we get there. Deuces. My navigation says I'm already here, but this place looks really sketchy, you guys. So found the way, guys. So yeah, I don't know, the way to get here looks really sketchy, you guys. Well, there's my friends over there, if you can see them. So there's a $12 parking here, you guys. So I'm just gonna go park and I'll meet them inside. Hi, guys.
Hi.
We're still waiting for our friends. The actual restaurant's actually over there, if you can see that. And then the parking is right here. And yeah, that's our group over there. We're still waiting for Mark and Maida, and then we're gonna go in there. So since Jeannie's not here today, this is my partner. This is my date. Say hi. Have you been here?
No, first time.
It looks really nice, yeah? Rach, so you've been here before?
I have.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
No, is it really good?
It's really good.
Is it worth the price?
It is worth the price.
Okay, I can't wait. So we have to wait, you guys. So they have like a lounge here where you can just relax while waiting for your table. So guys, I don't know if you can hear me. It's pretty loud here. So we just ordered. I'm going to show you what we ordered. We just got our drinks now actually. And then I'll show you our order later when it comes. Cheers guys, happy birthday.
Hey, hey.
Oh, congrats Ray.
Congrats, Ray.
Congrats. Alright guys, so our first appetizer came in. I'm not sure, this is the bread. It looks like an Indian bread or something. And then
It's like a pancake.
yeah, I don't know what this is. This one looks like a corned beef. And then this is the butter. It's supposed to be really, really good. Alright guys, so this is actually a beef shank right here. Check it out. And then this is eggplant.
Pomegranate
and eggplant and honey. All right, let's try it. See if it's good. Try this one. Try this one.
Let's try this one first.
Yeah, that's the special butter. Okay, try that one by itself. Okay, there you go. Try it first.
Let's see.
Mmm, fire. That's fucking fire, bro.
That's really good, bro.
I know. Alright guys, so it's my turn to try this.
Great! What do you think about that, Obi?
It's really good, bro.
Fire.
Fire.
Alright, now with the beef shank. Check it out. Let's try it.
Fire, bro.
You hot it, Obi? Yeah, I can eat it.
Guys, really, really fire. So delectable. Dude, I can't get over this. It's really, really good.
10 years ago. We're going to try the crispy rice mushroom.
Okay, try it first. Okay.
So we have some crispy rice there and some mushroom. Let's try it. Actually good, bro.
Is it? Yeah. Alright guys, so it's my turn to try this rice with mushroom. Check it out, can you see that? Sorry, the lighting here is really, really bad. Let's try it.
Say it to you, bro.
It's good. It's crunchy and it's really, really flavorful. Okay, guys, this is the macaroni and chickpea. Mark, do the honor, bro. Try it, try it. How is it?
It's actually good too.
Huh?
It's not that like
Not like wow, not like
again
not like
wow,
super wow.
but it's good.
All right, my turn. Try this.
Yeah, man, it's just like just far, you know. And that's why we tell him, you guys are willing, we'll invite.
It's good.
But they're like,
I mean,
it's too far. We were in OC.
It's just okay. It tastes kind of like a mac and cheese that you can make at home. Really, really peppery. And but the pasta though is super al dente. But it's just okay. Not too crazy about this one. What is this? What did we get?
It's the mirror of truth.
Oh, cool. Thank you. Cheers. Guys, check this out. This is the Wagyu beef. This is freaking 80 bucks. Check it out. Mark, can you tell me what this is, bro? What is this?
This is actually the pork shoulder. It looks like it got been braised and it looks pretty good.
Alright guys, so this is the Hainanese chicken. Check it out. $7 to $8 Hainanese chicken. Better be worth it. Mark. So this is the Hainanese chicken.
Right.
So this is $80 Hainanese chicken. You think that's gonna be worth it?
Oh, we need to try it first so we can find out if it's good.
Alright, let's try it.
Let's try it.
Alright guys, so we're trying out the Hainan chicken.
Hainan chicken. Get some chicken and some of the rice.
Make sure you put a little bit of the sauce right here.
On the side. And put some of the ginger sauce.
Hainanese chicken is one of my favorites. So I hope, I don't know, have you been to Savoy?
Yeah.
Let's see if this one is better.
Terrible.
Okay, try it.
Chocolate berry tender.
What do you think, bro?
Oh, bro, it's good. Like ginger chicken of the Filipino ginger chicken, but way better.
Like tinola?
Tinola. Right.
Alright, let's try the Hainanese chicken, you guys. I'm gonna put a little bit of the sauce. Alright, let's see.
No, that's fine.
It's good. It's tender, but to be honest with you, Savoy Kitchen is better. But this is comparable. This is just as good. But I don't know, for some reason Savoy is better for me, but this is also really good. And I forgot what this is called.
But it's a potato.
But it's a potato with some white sauce. It looks delicious.
This is better than...
Look at that, you guys. This is the bosam.
So tender, bro.
I want you to try it first, though. Let me know what you think.
So tender. Let's see. Oh, it's good, bro.
Is it good?
It's like a crispy pata, sweet crispy pata.
Alright guys, we're finally trying this. Yeah. It's charred. It's very flavorful. There's that umami flavor in there. It's really, really good. So this is the Wagyu beef.
Dip it with the egg yolk, kind of a soy sauce, egg yolk.
It's like Japanese style, yeah?
Japanese style. See? Bro.
Fire, bro.
It melts in your mouth, bro.
Trying this out. This is Wagyu. So good. I totally forgot about this, you guys. This is the potato with special white sauce. Let's see.
The way the texture is kind of crunchy. Oh my god, that's really good, bro.
Is it?
Really good.
Bro, David Chang is shaking.
It's like a popcorn.
David Chang is shaking, bro.
With ranch. It's like potato popcorn with ranch, but it's good. Hello vlog. By the way, the Hainanese chicken that we got, there's a part 2 of it. This like, which one? The dark meat?
Dark meat.
The dark meat actually comes in a soup. So we're going to try it out.
We'll see, and we'll see if it's good. David Chang, where you at? David Chang, where you at, bro?
Alright, so we're going to try it out. Part of the chicken. It's actually good. It's like Vietnamese chicken broth soup.
So if you were to compare it to tinola, which one is better?
I think it's kind of different because this one is half mint. You know, it's like the pot style soup.
It's like Vietnamese
Right.
a little bit.
Yes.
Hot pot?
Yeah, hot pot, something like that. Compared to that more ginger soup.
Is it good?
It's good though.
From 1 to 10?
9.
Ooh,
So you-
killing it.
So you always have an improvement, but it's 9, bro. It's good.
Alright guys, so we're finally ending the vlog here. There's Momofoco. No, there's Majordomo over there in the back.
Majordomo.
That's where we had dinner. So, did you like the food or what?
I mean, I'll say it's about, 10. It's good. David Chang, don't disappoint us always. Restaurant is good. Ambience is good. Food is good.
Okay, so it was really, really good. Will I go back there again? Yeah, maybe. What about you?
Yeah, maybe too. But we'll get calm. I'll come back.
David Chang, if you're watching this, hook it up, bro.
Hey, as long as they're not there, I'm in.
RJ, you have to show them that you actually are.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Deuces.